In this video, I'll be showing you how you can link your bank account to your Google AdSense for YouTube monetization. So first, I want you to head into the admin page or the home page of your Google AdSense account. Now you will see this sidebar on the left side of the screen. Now I want you to focus on the Payments tab and then click the Payment Info. Now this interface should show. Now click the Manage Payment Methods. And here you will have to add or create another payment method, which is for your bank account. And make sure that this interface should follow, which is this Payment Methods interface. After clicking the Add Payment Method, it will redirect you into this simple form page for adding or linking your bank account. Now fill all these details. For example, is the name of the bank account, the account type of your account, the routing number, the account number, and lastly is you need to set it as a primary payment method. Well, that's a choice for you. Now after filling all these details, it's done. You just need to click the Save button and that's it. That's how you can link your bank account to your Google AdSense. And thank you for listening.